In a world where motorcycles are built for adrenaline, innovation, and sheer performance, Ducati has raised the bar once again with the all-new 2026 Ducati Z650RS. With a design that combines elegance and power, this bike promises to turn heads and set the road ablaze. Let's dive into why the Ducati 690 heat. Silver is more than just another bike. It's a revolution on two wheels. The 2026 Ducati Z650RS is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Starting with its eye-catching design, the 698 Silver boasts an impeccable finish, blending high-tech engineering with modern aesthetics. The glossy silver paint, accented with minimalistic chrome details, gives the bike an almost futuristic look. While staying true to Ducati's signature aggressive styling, it's built to stand out without screaming for attention. A perfect balance between understated luxury and high performance. When it comes to performance, Ducati does not disappoint. Powered by a 690cc twin engine, the Ducati 698 Silver is engineered to deliver exhilarating speed and control. With a top speed of 160 mph, this bike is designed for riders who crave the rush of wind in their face and the thrill of pushing their limits. Whether you're on the open highway or carving through tight corners, the 698 Silver's agile handling and responsive throttle ensure a smooth, powerful ride every time. What sets the 698 Silver apart from its competitors is its finely tuned suspension system. Ducati has equipped it with fully adjustable front and rear Öhlins shocks, allowing riders to fine-tune their ride for optimal comfort and performance. Whether you're riding through city, streets, or taking on the most challenging terrains, the bike's ability to adapt to the road conditions is second to none. On the tech side, the Ducati 698 Silver doesn't fall short either. It comes with Ducati's cutting-edge ride control system, which includes 3 different riding modes: Sport, Touring, and Urban, each offering a unique experience tailored to the rider's needs. Additionally, the 698 Silver features a TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, giving riders access to navigation, calls, and music while staying connected on the go. In terms of range, the Ducati 698 Silver offers an impressive fuel tank, capacity of 17 liters, giving you a solid 200 miles on a full tank, depending on your riding style. This makes it perfect for long rides or weekend getaways, ensuring that you can enjoy the ride without constantly worrying about fuel stops. At a price point of $11,999, the Ducati 698 Silver sits in the premium category, but it's well worth every penny. For those looking for a bike that combines cutting-edge technology, luxurious design, and unmatched performance, the 698 Silver is the clear choice. While other competitors like the Yamaha R7 and Kawasaki Ninja 650 offer similar specs, none match the Ducati's distinctive character, engineering excellence, and overall riding experience. So, if you're ready to embrace the road in style and take your riding to the next level, the Ducati 698 Silver is waiting for you. Don't miss your chance to experience the future of motorcycling today.